Gee, I'm gonna freeze. Let's go. Come on! Why you take this long? Ah!
Was that a well thought out job or pure mischief?
No, wait. Just the poop. Super-hero. Here you go.
Is it legal?
Why is it?
Yo! 5 seconds in, I regret stopping here. Fetch this banana.
Oh, ooh.
Moon's brighter than that hit was real. Do something.
Why is going the video?
Was that skill?
What the fish?
Ooh,
Oh.
cold before I could blink.
No, I fall now.
Watch it, monkey.
Free from my mom.
I'm never coming back to the zoo again.
What the fish?
Shot. What's the catch now?
You are in trouble now, Fluffy Butt.
Please help me.
No.
Fastest.
Ooh.
Up. Loading. Oh hell, round 2.
Bananas. Time for correction. Start flying. Move. Light that fur ball up. Go loud. Go leap. There go. Free.
Bite down.
Light him up.
Round 2.
Hostile spotted. Erase it. Bullet.
You freaky.
Anna Breath packs a spear gun,
You freaky.
skewering everything in sight. Tip first, questions never. Next stop, Impalement Station. Just turned.
Is that a well thought out plan? Pure mischief.
Oi,
Their
character.
weapons missing. DIY money strikes again. Brace for splinters. That's some hardcore DIY primate style. This'll teach you to quit your monkey business.
This can end well. About to turn this villain into a training montage.
Stupid anything.
We're done. Say hello to my pitching arm of doom. Monkey with a... This just
Perfect.
escalated